What if one plant can turn your shady spot into calm, colorful corners without a fuss? Today, we are keeping it simple. We are talking clivias. I'll show you where to plant, how to care for it, and how to stop that pesky little borers, and where to order beautiful colors in South Africa. You'll get 5 things: the right light for clivias, a soft soil planting guide, a friendly design idea or two, a clear plan for lily borders, and trusted South African shop for orange, yellow, green, bronze and peach. Take a breath. We go slowly. As always, we observed first. Clivias love bright shade and filtered light. Under trees, courtyard, the east or south side of your home. Take 2 short walks, morning and late afternoon. Notice where the bright light dances. After rain, note where the water sits. Sketch a tiny shade map in a notebook. Simple is perfect.